Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Talks. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install Playsee social media app in your device. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So now go to Google Play Store, or you can also download this in App Store if you are an iPhone user. So I'm just gonna click Play Store, and then you need to search on search bar uh, Playsee Playsee social video. Okay, I already downloaded this in my device. So you can see Playsee reels and social video. So it's the beginning time. It's you can see the button in install. Just click install, and it takes a few moments to download in your device. And I'll create how to use this app Playsee in upcoming tutorial. So please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.